Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 26th of October 2022, approaching midday here in Europe and looking ahead to the rest of the trading session today. Crypto so far have been very bright and perky to say the least, continuing on from a really strong day yesterday. On the back of a strong day for equities, I must add as well. So some US dollar weakness helping this move. We're seeing some relatively tight correlations across Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin, but Ripple being the outlier on there. So we do follow XRP on these briefs. That market right now just doing its own thing, and it has done for some time, to be honest. So certainly quite uncorrelated from the rest of cryptos. Litecoin top right, as you can see, nice spike, looking to move up into the 60 area. That's got to be the round number target from here. Ethereum has just seen a pause so far at one of our levels at 1550, so that's an area that we've got to be watching out for from here. I would suggest 1550, although a strong daily close above this area and a move up into the 1700 handle will be the next obvious target. A failure to break above here though, and it could be a case of a potential reversal, some profit taking here and a move back down. So I'm just watching the daily bar, see where we close. If this bar reverses, for example, and closes below the previous daily high, potentially could be a nice shorting opportunity with a stop loss at this area, which we've just potentially rejected off if you're following me. Bitcoin has been able to successfully clear the 50-day moving average. Really strong day yesterday. I did mention the inside bar yesterday. Basically the high was just above the basically on that 50-day moving average. So I was suggesting, okay, we'll watch here. If you take out that inside bar high, also taking out the moving average, the 50-day, and a really strong move through the 20k handle, closed above that on the daily yesterday, and that's provided a nice solid foundation platform to move higher so far today. So we've seen now a move above pretty much all the previous weekly highs. You can see we're trading at levels not seen now since mid-September, so you're talking more than a month here, probably around a 6-week high today that's been posted. Can that move continue through into 21,125 from here? That's the overhead target for me. A daily close above that 6-week high that I just mentioned could be quite crucial. Certainly not out of the woods yet though, and sellers will be looking to keep this market lower. So again, like I just mentioned on Ethereum, watch out for potential reversal signals, basically daily rejections around this 21,125 or even a daily close back around that 20k handle. That's it from mine for the crypto brief. I'll post this inside the chat room and I'll speak to you all in there throughout the rest of today. Take care and bye for now.